$185
per week.
per week, no interest.
Yeah. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Sajjad Anwar's YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. We are here today with our captain Zeb Mohammed on the right, and on the left our Sajjad Bhai, our keen fisherman. We're at the Hutchwilco fishing show at the ASB showgrounds today. You've got boats, we've got food, you've got tackle, they've got equipment, they've got a lot of things. All right, and we're here at the fishing show with Sajjad.
If your name's on your ticket, you're already registered. You don't need to worry about over here. If your name is on your ticket,
Oh yeah?
yes, you're registered already.
Okay.
You don't need to register
Okay,
again.
thanks. They say if your name on the ticket, you don't have to register.
خلاص بس تفصيل هذا ده اللي يجيكم. Water. But they're all on tandem trailers, there's nothing on a triple tail.
$350. You say come here, they put How are you?
Can I be of some assistance?
So this is all.
Is it the DJI? Oh, it's GoPro.
Yeah, GoPro. So any special discount going on today?
We're doing heaps of discounts today. Everything's down. Look at our prices. We're down 25% off
25%.
most of the stuff on our website.
Oh, okay. So that's like a new price after discount.
Yep.
$15.
$15.
Oh yeah.
So
يا شيخي الدريور سرحمة بدكم ديري different lures.
again, really American dog was. How much today?
Russian Mungo.
Trying to rebuild our fishery. What's more fish in the world? This is what we want, right? This is what we do. We try to switch.
هذا يصير.
Double the commercial. Too much.
Minimize the size. Leave something of nature to the nature.
هذا السادة فيشر النسخة.
It's a flying fish. It's a flying fish. How about what he does it? John do. When I does that, he has to put a sticker on it for you. He has to put a sticker on it.
You can't take all catch too many fish.
No, but more now stickers not these are printed.
Let me tell you what fish this is. Don't tell me. This is John Doe.
It is. Well done.
Not good eating.
No, they're beautiful eating. Oh my God, you look like John Doe.
All right, thank you, buddy.
Thank you, guys.
Here we go. Here we go. Back to you. Back to you.
Jet ski. Full of fishing kit. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, good. So these are fishing drones.
Fishing drones, yes. Yep, so this is made in Tauranga by us.
Okay.
It's our Pegasus drone, and we'll fly sort of 5 to 12 hooks out to sort of 800 metres.
800
That's the target range for it.
Okay.
You can do less, where this is the Kudikop Trident drone, and that will do 25 hooks out to a kilometre.
Sorry.
5
kilometre.
hooks. Yep. Yeah, so it's a big, powerful unit.
1 kilometre range.
Yeah. What's that? Is that the
Kudikop Trident.
Oh. Yeah. So what's the payload on that?
It's about 3.5 kgs, and this is 2 kgs.
What does that retail at?
That's $6,000.
That's just that without the winch and everything.
Correct. Yeah. There's another 2,000 with the winch.
Yeah. No, I've got a winch.
And how much for this one?
3,750. And
So-
that price includes 2 batteries.
2 batteries.
Yeah, with 18 ounces of weight. So,
18 ounces.
Yeah.
25.
Yeah, absolutely has no trouble doing that.
Oh, Dad, sell your Kontiki then, pick up one of these.
That's the Kontiki, Amir.
Yeah, that's the new Seals.
Yep.
Didn't you guys have the one with the two dual engine motor? No.
No, we don't.
I think that was Predator.
No, the small silver bullet. That's the one you're referring to.
Between you and me, between 30 mils and 100 mils of this liquid to wash a 5 metre boat, right? With Salt Shark, you only need to use 5 mils. Okay, 5 mils. So out of a 1 litre bottle like this, you'll get 200 washes. And what's really good is you don't spill anything because there's one pump into the bottle. Okay,
That's the amount.
that's 5 mils. Yes, and what we have is we've designed our own spray gun, foam cannon, or whatever you want to call it. So it's all nice brass fittings. In the old days, like a lot of our competitors at the moment, they have plastic. If you feel away, that's it.
He lost his leg.
Bad day at the office.
Yeah, like one big shark.
Hopefully not, yeah, so propeller, motorboat strike or whatever else, so, or shark maybe. So yeah, it's about just teaching people how to go through and control this, you know, how to stop people bleeding to death and so on, and obviously use of tourniquet or going through and opening this up and making sure that we can go through, you know, pack into it.
That actually comes
You know,
free this weekend.
go through and get that all squared away, put our hands over the top and stop the bleeding, but it's controlling the controllables, making sure that we go through. If somebody's injured, it doesn't matter, it could be on the water, it could be on the way to the water, anywhere, anytime, right? We don't get to pick and choose, it chooses us, so yeah man, that's what we're about anyway, so any questions?
So do you give a first aid course?
We do, bro.
So I take the cash today, I get all your details, get it sent straight to Adelaide and put your order in the queue.
And how much usually it costs?
About the same as St John's and stuff like that, so on the back there, all the information, but if you jump on our website.
So this has come from the beach.
Yes, it has. Cheltenham Beach in Auckland.
Okay.
It's what people have been throwing off the side of their boats and what has been collected off on the beach. And as a result, this happens.
Yeah, this is poor birds.
Yeah, definitely. It's all about catching fish, not birds. Trying to do our best to protect our seabirds. Our natural fish finders. This brochure here has got birds and some tips in there as to...
So these are tips or these...
So if they swallow the hook, the best thing to do is try to just cut the line off as close to the beak as possible. Don't ever try and pull the hook out, obviously, because it's swallowed it. So you just cut the line as close as possible.
Sibi, this is what you're doing on the beach.
So
I don't think
this is
just a demo.
This is our waste, right?
Yes, that's
So
what
we have to take it.
take it home and put it in the rubbish bin.
We have to take it.
You don't throw it over the side of
You
your
need to
boat.
come end of the show. You can take it, not now.
How are you? So recently we've been having the downsize that has happened, and snapper has been less in the sea. Is there any changes coming on the sizes again on the east in the west coast?
There's nothing planned at this point in time. The snapper fisheries are going to be under review, but no, at this stage it's good.
Good, thank you. How are you?
Good, thank you.
All right, might as well.
Scanning from this one, this photo can go. That's what we're giving away today.
Ah, awesome.
Yeah.
Scan for...
And when do you draw it on Sunday, is that right?
Probably Monday we'll draw it, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Awesome, thanks guys.
Dad, where's Dad?
I'll make a video if I win. I have a proof. I scan it.
You proof.
So thank you.
It's a 2.1 litre, it's got focus tension.
Keep me. Who's 10?
Isso aqui, Matheus. 78. So $192 per week, no interest. Price is $73,848. These 4 fiberglass boards. We're going to scan our ticket to jump in a draw. Okay, it's only trailers. So this is the condition to scan the tickets.
Okay, I can scan that one manually.
Okay.
All finished.
And then Dad's one.
There we go. Thank you.
You know, like
Jet ski, the wheel helping to go straight away from the beach to the water. Wow, beautiful.
And there's one thing to move. The next I can see leaks on stairs.
So ordered.
Same size one. So off is then quite long with the little cup with the front end. So I'm pretty sure they take. I have to double check.
Yeah, definitely all. They're still hard. Yeah. Okay.
Big fisherman from New Zealand, and
one of the best fishermen.
The best fisherman.
He's a busy man.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, sorry guys, I'm going to have to steal that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're heading this way.
I was going to the boat with Dad, I was off the wharf, I was fishing in the harbour in a dinghy, I was surf casting off breakwaters, off the beaches, off the ledges, I was white baiting, I was snorkeling and scrambling around for rock pools. Basically, any chance I got, I was fishing after school, weekends and holidays. Dad primarily chased snapper, and a lot of the snapper we caught went to the export Ikejime market in Japan and the States. We gained a higher price for having good quality fish, so we took huge pride in trying to have the best fish on the market floor. We'd get a lower price, the fish would be rejected if they had scales missing, or if the colour wasn't right, so we took huge pride in trying to have the best fish on the market, and our fish was